Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda today. In this training video, I will tell you about setup of AutoUpload app. The objective of this training is to understand following. How to set up AutoUpload app in the user system. Which permissions are required to be provided to the user during the setup of AutoUpload app. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have valid login user credentials with DMS form access. AutoUpload app. The AutoUpload app allows users to upload a large number of documents from their local client folder to the DMS. If a user has multiple documents saved on their system, they can use the AutoUpload app to upload them directly to the DMS web. The user simply needs to place the documents into a folder on their system and map that folder to the auto-upload process. The user clicks on the Client Setup button from the DMS web, and a zip file is downloaded to their system. Once the downloaded is complete, the user needs to install the AutoUpload app on their system and grant the necessary permissions. Grant permissions for AutoUpload app. To access the AutoUpload app, the user must provide the necessary permissions to both the Vienna folder and the Google folder. These are the steps that the user must follow for providing the permission to Vienna folder. 1. Go to Windows C Drive, Program Files, x86, Folder select Vienna folder. 2. Right-click on Vienna folder and select Properties option. 3. In the Properties window, go to Security tab. 4. Under the Group Name section, select each of the following one by one. First user, next administrator, next network service. 5. Click the Edit button. 6. In the permission window, provide full control for each selected group. 7. Click OK to apply the changes, then click OK again to close the Properties window. In the same way, the user repeats the same steps to provide access to the Google folder. Let's go through these steps one by one through training video. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. The user clicks on Client Setup icon from the header section of form, and the auto-upload zip file is downloaded on the user system. Once the download is complete, the user needs to locate the downloaded zip file into their system. The user selects the downloaded file, right-click on it, and extract its contents. After extracting file, a new folder is created. The user needs to open the folder where the setup.exe application file type will be visible. To install the application, right-click on the file and select the Run as Administrator option, then need to confirm the installation to proceed. After providing the confirmation, the application is successfully installed on the user system. The user should close the pop-up by clicking on Close button. To verify the installation, user will navigate to the Windows C Drive, open the Program Files, x86 folder, or Installed Drive, and there you will find a folder named Vienna, which is automatically created after the installation process. To grant the permissions for accessing the AutoUpload app, the user needs to right-click on the Vienna folder and click on Properties, then navigate to the Security tab. The user gives the full permissions by clicking on Edit button. By default, Administrator is having full control. The user also needs to provide the full control to the users group by selecting it and click on Apply button. The user also adds network services by clicking on Add button. Enter network service, then click OK. Now, the network service group will appear in the group's name. Select Network Service and provide full control access by checking the appropriate box. Click on Apply button, then click OK to close the pop-up. Again, close the pop-up by selecting OK. Now, the user follows the same steps to provide the permission to the Google folder. The user selects the Google folder, right-click on it, and click on Properties, then navigate to the Security tab. The user gives the full permissions by clicking on Edit button. By default, Administrator is having full control. The user also needs to provide the full control to the users group by selecting it. If the full control access is already provided, then no action is needed. If it is not provided, then select the Full Control checkbox True and click on Apply button. If the network service is not listed under group or usernames, click the Add button to include it. Since network service is already present, there is no need to add it again. Select network service from the list and grant full control by checking the appropriate checkbox. Click Apply to save the changes, then click the cross icon to close the pop-up. Again, close the pop-up by selecting OK. By providing these permissions, the AutoUpload app has been successfully installed and configured on the user system. Thank you.